My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to use SQL. Are you a beginner or you have not used SQL before? Come closer, let me teach you the basic how to use SQL. Before we begin, we need to import our data into this SQL app. Let's go and check the data first. This is the Excel which contain the staff ID, first name, last name, gender, job title, salary. This is the salary information of an organization. Before you import this data into the SQL, you must save it as CSV format. CSV format. Now let's begin. Let's go back to the my SQL. Come to the create a new schema. Click on that. And the name you want to save the data you want to import, you will name it here. You don't need to type anything in capital letter. Let's call it salary underscore data, isn't it? You can name anything, you can just use anything, but don't use capital letter. Click on the apply and click on the apply again. Click on finish. If you look here, you will see that salary underscore data is here. Just double click it. When you double click it, you will see table. When you see the table, right click, click on that table, right click, and you will see table data import visa. Just click on that. Goes to the browser. You will see the data underscore that I have saved as CSV format. Click on that and open it and click next. Click next again. Click next again. Click next again. Click next. Click finish. Now let's begin to write our first query. Now you will say select. What am I selecting? I'm selecting the data that we import into this SQL. Now you will put this symbol like a star, that is select all the information in that database that we import into the MySQL. Now say from where? From what did we say? We save our document as what? Salary underscore data. Then if you want to execute the query that we just typed now, you can press Ctrl Enter, or you can use this symbol. Let me bold it so that we can see it clearly. You can see after that you will come here, this symbol, and execute it, or you can press Ctrl Enter to execute. Let me click this one. You see that all the information has been given, generated it for us, so that we know the difference between the system query and the one that you type by yourself, where first name, the first name which is my column, because I have column which is first name, I have last name, where this first column, where this first column, like this first column, like what? Let me put S there and put what? Dollar and percentage sign. When I put the percentage sign, it means that wherever you see X, that any name that start with X, generate it for me. That's the command. Let me close it now. Now the next thing I'm going, now I will click on Control Enter to execute this. You will look at this, that under the first name column, Sunday, Said, Samson, Samuel, they are the one that started with what? With X. If I want to say the one that starts with XU, execute it. Click on execute. You see that it's only Sunday that start with XUN, like sun. But if I want to type that wherever you see X, wherever you see S, whether from starting or in the middle or at the end of a word or of a name, just pull it out. You need to put the percentage at the beginning and at the end of that X. It means that wherever you see X under the column first name, it means that it's going to put them out. Now let's come here, let's execute it. Click on this symbol, execute the statement. You will see that wherever you see X, S Sunday, Said, Samson, Kisley, Sunday is under Ishola, S is under Ishola, Oluwatosin, Sin, X is there, Samuel, S is there. That is how to do what? To execute this simple one. Now let's go further again. Don't let me clean this one. Let me just leave it. Let me copy this one. Now let me click this symbol again. Now let me execute this one again to pull out all the data again. Now it has pulled out all the data again. The next thing I'm going to do, now I'm going to teach you how to use where and function. Now where job underscore title, this is the column for job title, isn't it? Job title is equal to what? Let's say is equals to accountant. Now it's not double dot, it's only one dot. One dot. Now let's close it with this symbol. Before you execute you must put this symbol before you can execute. Now let's click execute. You will see that it lists out all the job titles that are accountant here. Accountant, Sunday Bada accountant, Samson Oluwadamilere accountant, Chineye Basi accountant. And we can further say that and and if salary salary, it means column. I'm not talking about salary underscore data. Salary is what? Is greater than, let me say, is greater than 425. Let me say 430,000. Is greater than 430,000. Now let's execute this. That we have used two conditions here. Firstly, when the job title is accountant. Second one, if the salary is greater than 430,000. Now let's execute it. Click on here. Now it has removed the 425,000. The salary the accountant that is earning 430,000 is what? Is who? Sunday Bada and Chineye Basi. 450,000 and 4. Now if I want to see the salary of other job title like HR, driver, and I don't want to see accountant, I can use this symbol. It means that less than or greater than means that I don't want to see the title of accountant, but I want to see other job title, that it will give me the list and the salary are greater than 430,000. When I execute this, it will bring the list out without the accountant. If you look at the job title, the accountant is not there because I use this symbol less than or greater than accountant. This is it, HR 430. You see that 430,000, anything greater than 430, it started from this one. Now, if I want to arrange this as well, I can still arrange by using order by. And if we want to arrange this table in ascending order based on the job title, we can arrange this one. You can just say, you just type order by what? How many column? You know, we want to arrange it in ascending order based on the job title. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. We have job title under where? Column 5. Under column 5. Now let's execute this. You see that the job title arrange it. HR marketing. Is only what that is missing there is accountant and the driver. The driver that is there is earning 180 something thousand. Let's go back here to confirm that. I think yes. You know, we said greater than 450,000. Let's come back here, put the comma here to run only this one, or you can just highlight only this one to give us all the data back. If you look at here, where is the driver? Driver 185,000. That's why I didn't put the driver there. Now let me go back, remove this and put it here and re-execute it. See, he arranged it in what? In order by the column 5. Now the next thing that we are going to do, let me copy this one. Now copy from, let me put this one down, this from, and let me just say select only job underscore title from the table. Let me put the command. Now you see that it pull out all the job title, all the job title. If you look here, you will see that all the job title, you just put them out here repeatedly. Now, if I want them to be unique, instead of accountant appear 2 times and marketing appearing 3 times, now you are going to type here distinct job underscore title, close the bracket and come to the last here before you execute and click on execute. You see that we have how many job title? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Use. Let me teach you how to use the group by and the order by. Now the group by, before we use that one, we have executed this one. We can see the accountant HR and the job title is appearing 3 times, 4 times. Now if you want to group all this job title, let me come down here. You will type group by. You will copy the same thing, group by the job title, so that all the accounts and they appear 3 times or 4 times marketing, it will group them together. Now let's execute it. You see that they are now single, it grouped them together. Now if I want to add under the select, add maximum, the person that is any big salary, highest salary, just pull it out for me. This one will pull it out, maximum slash salary. Now let's execute it. It will create another column for us that we call it mass salary, which is the person that is earning big salary in account department is earning 495. The person that is earning big salary in HR department is 652,000. The person that is earning big salary in marketing is earning 550,000, and so on and so forth. Now if I want to change this mass salary, I want to change the header as mass salary, you will just say as any name you want to call it. You can call it, let's call it the highest salary. Let's call it as highest salary. Now let's execute it. Come here, click execute. Now you see that it's giving me error message because I want to change the header as mass salary as highest salary. It means that SQL does not like anything space. Don't give space if you want to name your header. Just close it and let's put underscore. And now let's come here and execute it. You will see that it will give us our results. Now it has given us our result. It has changed the header name column 2 as mass salary to what? To highest salary. That is how you can change the header names to what? You will just use as the name you want to use it. Now this one I think is arranged. If I want to arrange this one again in ascending order or descending order. Now let me come here, say order by column what? Column 2, because we have job title column 1, highest salary column 2. Now let's arrange the column 2 in what? In ascending order. It means that from the lowest salaries to highest salary. Now let's execute this. Click on execute. See that the driver 185,000, store 350,000. The person that is earning, accountant 450. If you want to change it to descending order, just need to press DESC and execute it. It means that from the highest to the what? To the lowest. 552,000, 550,000, 495,000. That is all. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. We are still going to part 3 of this SQL. Please kindly watch out for the part 2 of this and subscribe to my YouTube channel